Presenting a pre-owned 2023 Audi. This four-door SUV has a two-cylinder engine with all-wheel drive and an automatic transmission. This Audi is a great value with less than 22,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 100 miles per gallon in the city and 89 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include auxiliary audio input, speed-sensitive volume control, smartphone integration, wireless data link, moonroof, spare tire kit, power windows, rear privacy glass, window defogger, air filtration, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, digital odometer, external temperature display, battery saver, trailer hitch, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, blind spot safety, child seat anchors, parking sensors, seatbelt force limiters, power door, locks, stability control, and traction control.